girls, let's do this example here. So first we have to copy our question. So we have question A. It says 2x plus 5 equals 18. Okay, I'm going to solve this equation in two ways. Okay, the first way is that I'm going to expand this bracket first. We have to remember that this 2 is affecting both terms inside the bracket. So this 2 is going to affect both terms. So I do my arrows to remember that. And then I say, okay, 2 times x is equal to 2x. And 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Equals 18. And then I start undoing. What do I undo first? Addition and subtraction. So I take away 10 and I take away 10. This becomes 0. So I have here 2x is equal to 8. And then I undo what is happening to x that is being multiplied by 2. So I have to divide by 2. Inverse operation of multiplication, divided by 2, divided by 2. And this 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I have left an x here, which is equal to 4. Good? Fantastic. So now let's do it in another way. So this way that I'm going to solve it is a little bit more sophisticated. I encourage, if you understand how to do it in this second way, to do it from now on in this way, because it's going to make your life easier as you move forward and doing more complex equations. Okay, so what happens? The first thing that I want you to focus is, do I have an addition and subtraction? Yes, I do, but it's inside a bracket. And so remember that brackets is the last thing that I have to solve. Okay, when I'm using bitmaps backwards, so when I'm solving equations, so it's the last thing that I have to worry. So actually this is not an addition, it's a bracket. So that's not the first step that I'm going to worry. So do I have an addition and subtraction? No, I don't, because I don't have anything outside. What about multiplication and division? Yes, I do. I have a 2 multiplying that bracket. So I'm going to undo that by using inverse operation. So what do I have to do first? Divide both sides by 2. And when I do, I cancel this and this, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. Remember, I can do this because this 2 is affecting the whole bracket. All the terms in the bracket is the same as this 2 underneath that is affecting everything inside that bracket. Look at this vinculum that is covering everything. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore, I write it underneath as x plus 5. Which is equal to 18 divided by 2, which is 8. Which is 9. Blah. Good. Then I'm going to undo what is happening to the x by using inverse operations. So plus 5, take away 5, and then same thing on the other side. And when I do that, this becomes 0. So x is equal to 9, take away 5, which is 4. And you can see that I get to the same answer. Wonderful. Let's do b underneath. So b is going to be equal to x divided by 3 plus 1 equals to 7. That 7 looks awful. Okay, let's bring this one down. So how do we do this? So first, do I have an addition and subtraction? Yes, I have an addition here. So I have to undo that one. How do I do this? By subtracting 1 on both sides. This becomes 0. So then I have x divided by 3 equal 7 minus 1 is 6. And then I have to undo this division. What is happening to the x? X is being divided by 3, so I have to times it by 3, both sides. And then this 3 divided by 3 is 1. So x is equal to 18. And that's my answer. Wonderful, girls. We're going to continue in the next video.